Yeah, so we're gonna be going to Belmar Beach in New Jersey for the day, and right now it's not looking too promising. I mean, there's some blue skies, but then it's like really cloudy over there. So let's hope that it's a nice day, because this is like my first day off from work and school in so long. Like, I usually have school on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and today is Tuesday and I don't have work and I don't have school because I'm in between terms right now, so I don't go back to school until next week. So like, I'm trying to enjoy my time off now, but the weather has been like blah for like the past couple days, and the weather's gonna be blah for the next week or so. So I don't know, so I decided to take you guys along with me today. I'm going to pick up my cousin now. We're gonna get snacks and drinks and put them in the cooler, and then we're gonna go to the beach. Like I said, hopefully it's like sunny, because if it's not, I'm gonna be really sad because I want to enjoy my day off. And I worked all weekend, and I worked Memorial Day while everyone and their mothers was at the beach, so hopefully I'll be able to enjoy my day at the beach today. So yeah, so I will get back to you when we're either on our way or at the beach, because obviously I'm driving, so I can't vlog when I'm driving, and I think that's dangerous. But I just want to shout out to my sister Jasmine, because she did my hair, to get you to see it. She braided my hair, and it's like, it's beautiful, like it's perfect. And I can't braid for absolute shit, so I started. Wow.
Dream house.
We're home. Like, it's just 10 years ago.
In case anyone missed it, Sam's grill came off the car.
Oh yeah, we will
on the
show you
turnpike.
that in a second.
That was kind of interesting. Yeah, to say the least, you know.
To say the least, for sure. So yeah, we don't have a grill.
Does this give me a double chin?
I don't know.
Yo, can y'all see my poison ivy? Oh, what is that? Whoa, I can see myself.
Here we go.
Oh shit, we at the beach.
Alright, so on the side of the highway we lost this. That's okay, we don't need it, right?
Don't know if it's important, but
yeah, we good, so she's doing it. She's doing it, but I can't. I can't do it. I can't. I have so many things to carry. Backpack, purse, towel, cooler for drink. It's a beautiful day. Megan's pissed because yes, I am walking, literally walking all the way down here just to get up. Alright, I think we just got onto the beach for free.
that's what's up. My ass is hanging out, but it's fine.
Same. Those guys are probably looking at us.
No. We made it. Yay. Oh wait.
I can't see anything.
Neither can I. You gotta show them my poison ivy.
Okay, so Megan, on the legs, on the stomach,
I
the other leg.
was in a bush.
And now she has to pee, so we're going to the ocean, naturally, to pee.
That's
right?
gross.
Everyone's gonna know. Let's see this girl. Oh shit!
What's up, dude?
What's up? What's up? Such a perfect day today.
You look like Wendy. No, Wednesday.
Wednesday. Well, my hair looks good. Stupid ass seagulls.
Yeah, let's call that thing.
Yeah, let's call her. Watch your mouth. I'm surprised you didn't wear a hat today. You should wear a hat. I should have wore a hat. I didn't even think of that. People are looking at me weird, but it's okay. Ooh.
No, it said connecting for like 3 minutes. Like, what the fuck?
That's weird. Megan Catherine is an alcoholic.
What's that?
7 beers.
Yo, dog, what is you doing?
Megan needs to hurry up and drink her freaking last beer because she's taking forever. And
See, now I'm gonna take longer.
She won't chug it.
Mama raised the bitch.
No, she didn't. That's the thing, though. She didn't. And I can't see for anything. So this is how I'm gonna vlog right now.
It's not your fault.
No, seriously. Like, I can't see jack crap.
It's how I feel every day.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm tonight. Shit, what are you doing?
Yo,
What?
I love dinosaurs. I can't wait to see Jurassic World Part 2. Let's go in the water.
Weirdest person ever. There we go. It's all fixed, sister.
I keep forgetting.
Glarbin.
I got a mouth, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I
Bleep.
can tell. I'll bleep your face out next time. Is that? It's not my house, but it's okay. We can pretend. A house we could never afford. Goodbye.
Dude, oh my god.
Oh yeah, I agree. But I have to have this. What up? Of course, I got burnt on one arm, but not my other arm. Like, oh my god, Megan.
Dude, look at that tan line.
That's a burn line, my friend. That is a burn line.
Some right up for you. Faces.
Yep, thank you. Let's drop that. Mmm. Ice cream. What a day. What a day. Megan's happy because she got our... Yeah, we just ate nachos and now we're eating ice cream, but it's okay.
East, I don't see nobody by my side. I turn my head to the west, still nobody inside. So I turn my head to the north, swallow that pill that they call pride. That old East day they gone, but that beauty will be alright. I turn my head to the east, I don't see nobody by my side. Oh, girl, I've been traveling on this road so long, just trying to find my way back home. The old East days gone.
Don't mind the chocolate on my shirt because apparently I can't eat ice cream or anything without getting something on my white shirt. You can see I'm burnt. Like, oh my god. But then this side I'm not, like I'm burnt but not as bad. Look at my arm. It's bright red. And this arm isn't. That looks funny as anything. Anyways, so I just wanted to come on here because I'm really bad at closing out the vlogs. Like, I'm really bad. Don't mind my hair. Like, do you see that? I take out my braids and like I want to see like how they look, so you guys can stay on here with me while I take these out. So sorry we haven't been uploading so much, but like I said in the beginning of the video, we've been like really busy with school and work. Like, things have just been getting in the way of like filming and stuff like that, which is fine because that's life, but we would like to film more if we could. So we're gonna start doing that more. I'm in between terms, so anyways, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, that's all I want to tell you. And if you have any more ideas for like videos, like, because now it's starting to be summer, so it's gonna be nice out, like types of videos you want to see, leave them in the comments below and we'll try to do them. But I feel like there's gonna be a lot of traveling, like not traveling, but like adventure trip vlogs from us, because we like to do a lot of fun things in the summer on a budget, because I can't afford lots of things that we want to do. But exciting events are coming. The wedding's coming up, bridal shower, bachelorette, things like that. So there'll be a lot of filming then, but it's kind of hard to do when I'm in school full time. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. So we're gonna start filming more. I'm sitting on my floor because if you have seen my room before, like, you know, like that's the only window I have in like my whole entire room. So that's the only window that I can film on, like, with, because the lighting is like really good, but I don't have any other windows in my room, and I really don't have that many windows like in my whole apartment, house, whatever you want to call it. So it's kind of hard to like film in the house like when it's starting to get dark out, because the lighting isn't that great. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's like not exciting, it's just the first beach day that I was able to take because everyone was down the shore for Memorial Day weekend, and I always work Memorial Day because I get time and a half. And I don't mind working Memorial Day, but this is my first day that I'm off from school and work in a really long time. So I had to take advantage of it, and I'm so glad I took the chance to go to the shore because it turned out to be like the sunniest day ever. Alright, this is the final look. Wow. It's really poofy. Thank you guys for watching our video. I know I said that already, so excuse me. But there'll be more videos in the future. In the next video, stay tuned for more videos and hit the subscribe button, please. It would be much appreciated. We only started in January. We only have like 200 and some subscribers, which is fine, and like I understand we're starting out, but I would love more people to see our content, you know, because we're weird. And yeah, so alright, let me stop rambling.